Good morning friends. Today we will discuss about 5 aims of network marketing, that is material, message, money, method and moral values. First, material. For any productive or manufacturing activities we need raw material. It is the basic requirement for producing any product. Similarly, in network marketing we need some material. That material is list of friends, relatives, colleagues. We need some material, that is list. As we know, material is divided into two categories, direct material and indirect material. From the list, some may be directly approached and converted into networks. This is called direct material. But some may not convert initially. We have to treat them as consumers for our products. They are indirect materials. With the passage of time, they can be converted into networks. Like in any product, both direct and indirect materials are used. Some book, say book. In a book, paper and ink are direct material because it is directly identified from a product, book. But adhesive, thread are indirect material, although directly not identified, but without which the product, that is book, cannot be completed. So therefore we need both direct and indirect material. In network marketing we need both consumers and members. Next is machine. As materials can never be converted into products without the help of machines and tools, similarly in network marketing we need some tools to convert the materials into networks, the list into networks. We have YouTube videos, good books related to network marketing, some apps, social media sites, etc. Here we have to select appropriate tools. See, when we have to dig a field and we have a needle, is it possible to dig the field with the help of a needle? No. Because we have to select a right tool. We need the help of a tractor or dozer to dig the field. Similarly for work, for what is our purpose, what is our work, according to that work we need some tools. So for network marketing also we need some tools, and tools will be helpful for converting the lists into networks. Then called money. Without money we cannot buy the material, machines and cannot start production. But in network marketing we need not require more money. Some initial investment is required to scale the business. If you distribute some of the products of your company among your friends, relatives, neighbors and colleagues, then you can create a customer base for yourself and start earning from day one without a decent team size. Accordingly, with the increase in team size, we did not have to depend upon retail profit. We did not have to depend upon more consumer base. As and when your team starts performing, you have a decent team size, then your team will perform. Accordingly, you will get the benefit of result of compounding, benefit of teamwork. After that, you need not have to approach any customers. You need not have to depend on your consumers. Consumer is better. If there will still some consumers along with your networks, there will be multiplied effect. Next, method. In all producing activities, certain methods are followed to convert the raw material into finished product. Similarly, in network marketing also, we have to follow certain methods or systems. The system includes regular meetings, both online, offline, success seminars, education centers, success academy, company's official YouTube channel and broadcasting channel, etc. We all have to follow certain systems in order to succeed in network marketing. We may have more knowledge, but we have to follow the instructions, the guidelines of our offline. We have to follow the company's system. Then only we can grow, we can succeed. Last one is moral values. The most important aim among the five aims is moral values. If we want to stay long in any business, we have to behave ethically. Our moral values should be strong enough. We should not allow our team members to follow unethical practices for short-term increase in team size or sales volume. It may give income in short term, but in long run we will be out of the business. So follow ethical practices and ensure that each member of the team should duplicate the same. Thank you for joining the smartest team in India, that is Atomy Team Invincible. Call or WhatsApp 720-544-2950. Atomy Team Invincible. Call or WhatsApp 720-544-2950. Thank you.